to use Threads topic tags to get discovered faster. So to use Threads topic tags for faster discovery, open the Threads app on your device and start a new post by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap the hashtag button, then type your keyword or pick a suggested active topic from the list and then finish your text and tap post. Your tag turns blue to show it is active. Now let me tell you about the best practices for faster discovery. Threads restricts each post to a single topic tag to prevent spam, unlike multi-hashtag strategies and other platforms, so you have to limit to one tag. You can also use multi-word phrases. Tags can be short phrases or sentence like a digital marketing or F1 threads to target specific niches. Also, check what topics are currently trending in the tag prompt list and use them if they match your content. The next what you can do is prioritize engagement. The algorithm favors replies, comments and conversation quality over tags alone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.